Hello, good afternoon once again. This is Architect Lito Carisma of Lady Design Studios.
And this is Engineer Alicia Fatima, ang inyong inhenyerang lakwatsyera. Kamusta po kayo?
Yes, kamusta na po ang mga future and prospective clients natin dyan? At tag-ulan na po, baka gusto pong humabol magpatayo ng bahay. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng advice on how to deal with a builder and how to spot the quality ones among the others na siguradong gagabayan kayo from the beginning of the process up to the end of the handing over.
We at Lady Design Studios po ay hindi lang para sa design and build. Ang aming pong kinikater is from the start, from the very start of facilitations of approvals. Alam niyo po, meron lang po akong i-share sa inyo na isang project po namin. Dito po talaga nasubukan yung patience, cooperation ng engineers and architects doon sa client. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi lang naman ang isang project, matayo nyo, yun na yung relationship nyo sa client. Hindi. Dapat from the very start, from the applications of all the necessities, the required documentations, like for example, architect, yung ating isang project dyan sa taas, Timberland.
Yes. Actually, mahirap po talaga ang process na pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, especially kapag mahigpit ang mga developer or yung mga community na kinabibilangan ng ating bahay. But it doesn't mean na kapag mahirap is wala na pong way. Always consider po na to hire a professional na pwedeng mag-guide sa inyo from the beginning, from interpreting the lot, from giving you an advice, and assessing the possible issues na pwedeng kaharapin habang ginagawa ang bahay.
To give you an overview, we have recently something like 2 months in the process para lang sa approval ng developer. Kung ibang client yan o ibang architects yan, baka iwanan na si client, pero kami hindi. Doon yung strength ng Lady Design eh. Doon namin sinisimulan yung aming magandang pakikitungo, good client relationship na towards any other circumstances, andyan kami, and that is free of service. Yung iba, konting lakad lang, naka-charge ka agad kay client. Kami hindi. And this is to it na mutual benefit ang mangyayari. Bakit kamo? Si client magiging happy from the support that we're giving him. E di lalo na pag natayo yung bahay niya, yung kanyang dream home, di ba? So, ganun po. Lagi ko sinasabi kay architect, simulan natin ang ating good relationship from the facilitations of documents. Kasi talagang ang daming stakeholders from developer, from services like Manila Water,